Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add social media buttons and icons to your Shopify website. So head over to shopify.com and log into your account. On the left side panel, click on Online Store, then click on Edit Theme. So inside the theme editor, scroll down or look for the footer section, then click on Utilities. On the drop down, find social media links right here. And there we go. So if it's already here, the social media links code block, but the icons or links is not appearing on your site, that means you haven't added any links yet. We can also go to our live website, scroll down, and it's not here as well. So to make the icons appear, let's go ahead and insert the links. For example, for Facebook, I'll be using Google's page. Click on URL and copy. Click X, replace it, click paste. There we go. Then for Instagram, I'll use Facebook's page. Click on URL, click copy, go to Instagram field, click X to replace the link, then paste. We can do this with YouTube, TikTok, X, and many more social media links. Now, once you've added all the URL or links of your social media accounts, click on Save. Then go back to our live website, click Refresh, scroll down, and as you can see here, the social media icons are now appearing. Now let's go ahead and click one of the links to check if we've added the correct link. Facebook should bring us to Google's Facebook page. Then for Instagram, there we go. Yep, we have added the correct link. So basically, if all the links open correctly, then everything is set up. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.